everyone! Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today, we're talking about a tool that doesn't cut, drill, or hammer. But no serious project can live without it. Yes, we're talking about clamps.
They hold things tight, steady, and in place, like the silent helper on every project. We'll show you how they're used today, and then look back at their surprisingly long history.
A clamp is a mechanical device used to hold objects firmly together, usually during cutting, gluing, welding, or shaping.
It's like an extra pair of hands, but stronger, more precise, and doesn't ask for coffee breaks.
There are many types of clamps, each designed for different jobs. Let's go through some of the most common ones. C-clamps, classic and sturdy. Great for holding metal or wood in place while cutting or drilling. Quick bar clamps, also called F-clamps. They're fast, adjustable, and perfect when you need to apply pressure with one hand. Click hose clamps, used mostly in plumbing and automotive work to secure hoses. They're small, strong, and surprisingly important. Spring clamps, lightweight and fast to use. Ideal for holding smaller parts together temporarily. Think of them like the clothespin of the workshop. Corner clamps, perfect for 90-degree joints when building frames, boxes, or cabinets.
There's basically a clamp for every situation. If you can't find the right one, chances are you just need more clamps.
Seriously, there's no such thing as too many clamps. Ask any woodworker, they'll tell you. To use a clamp, position it so the jaws apply pressure evenly to your workpiece. Tighten it until it's firm, but not so tight that it crushes or damages your material.
Pro tip: always put something between your clamp and the surface, like a scrap piece of wood, so you don't leave marks.
Clamps are about control and precision, not brute force. Unless you're clamping your lunch shut, we don't recommend that.
Clamps have been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used wooden wedges, ropes, and even stone weights to hold materials in place. Not exactly convenient, but effective.
The earliest true clamps, made of wood with threaded rods, appeared during Greek and Roman times, mostly used in carpentry and metalwork.
With the development of metalworking in the Middle Ages, iron clamps became stronger and more refined, and often handmade by blacksmiths.
Like many basic tools, clamps evolved. They weren't invented by one person. But the modern C-clamp design dates back to the 19th century, as manufacturing techniques made metal tools more consistent.
No one's sure who made the first metal screw clamp, but whoever it was, we owe them a big thanks for keeping our projects from falling apart. Over time, clamps have become more specialized and user-friendly. Ergonomic handles, quick-release triggers, non-marring pads, even one-handed clamps for solo jobs.
We've gone from twisting wooden rods to pressing a button, but the goal hasn't changed. Hold things still, safely, and securely. Power tools get the spotlight, but clamps are the unsung heroes of almost every project. They give you the confidence to work with precision, knowing nothing will slip or shift.
Whether you're building furniture, welding frames, or gluing together a model airplane, if it needs to stay in place, clamps make it happen.
So now you know what clamps do, where they came from, and why they still matter today.
Got a clamp you can't live without? Or a clamp fail story? Let us know in the comments. We've all been there.
Thanks for watching, and keep it clamped.